channel. So today we're going to be installing some crochet hair. So as you can tell, I went ahead, braided back my hair to the back, and I basically took out some hair at the front because I'm going to be single-handed. I'm going to be doing some single braids, like twist at the front. Yes, so I went ahead, braided back my hair, and I am just going to install these old crochet braids. I think these braids are basically, they are about 2 years old. Like, I installed this hair like maybe a year and a half, year and about 9 months ago. Yeah, so as you can tell, we just went straight into the video. I basically installed the hair like to the back of my head, and I went ahead, loosely installed it, and then I started to twist it. But then I realized that it's going to take forever, so I just decided that I'm going to just install them loosely, the hairs, like each strand loosely, and then later on, after I finish installing it, I'm going to twist. So doing your crochet braids are it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Like, you just have to push the loop, the crochet hook under your hair. If you have thicker hair, you can actually push the hook above, not under your under your braids, but a little bit on top of the braids basically, and then loop the hair. That's pretty much it. Like, there's nothing too detailed about crochet braiding. Like, it's super simple, and this is the reason why I personally love crochet braiding. I like to braid my hair like single twist braid, but I realized that with the when you single twist like braid your hair, especially with rubber bands, and you want it to last long, it doesn't really last as long. And sometimes if you want to extend it to, like, for example, 2 months, 3 months, it can actually damage your hair, to be honest. So I prefer crochet braiding as opposed to single braid, especially using the rubber bands, because at least you don't have to redo your hair, and the rubber bands are not actually on your hair. You know what I'm saying? Basically. So I prefer to crochet my hair because at least I can scratch my hair. I can do anything with my hair without, feeling like I am pulling or putting too much tension on my hair, especially if you have hair like mine, like super thin currently. But anyway, that's what we're doing right now. I'm just going to do these crochet braids because it's the easiest way to actually braid my hair, and it's quick, fast, easy, efficient, and all of that jazz. And also, if you can't really braid, this is not going to be like a big issue, as long as the braids are done like tight enough, not super tight. You don't want to do your braids super tight. You just want them to be like really, tight enough so that they can last, especially if you want to keep your braids in for like a month or so. So as you can tell, we're almost at the front. I'm just basically pushing the hair through until I reach to the front, and when I get to the front, you're going to see me twisting the hair to the front, because I kind of wanted the illusion that my entire head was braided. I didn't want to see crochet. To be honest, I don't really like that look. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I actually do the front. So just continue watching. I'm going to play some music so you can enjoy this portion, and then I'm going to come back to you now with the installation of the single twist. Okay, so just sit back, relax, and then enjoy this portion, and I'll be right back with you. It's gonna be super short, okay, not long. Okay guys, so I am back. I haven't actually finished the entire head in terms of crochet, but I decided that I'm going to start to actually braid the front of my hair, like twist it. So what I like to do is to just get a fine teeth comb, because my hair is currently fine. My hair is not fine because it's naturally fine, like this fine. My hair is going through something right now, and I'm just going to see what I can do to actually make it a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? So as you can tell, we're just going to go in with some edge control, and I'm using my Morphos Aqua hair wax. Okay, and I'll attach a link for everything, even the hair that I'm actually installing right now. I am basically doing some single strand twist. So I basically just take the hair, add the hair wax to it, and I'm just twisting the braid into my natural hair. So I just take the two strands, basically use my thumb and my index finger along with the hair, twist one at a time, like as if I'm doing or making a rope basically. And I just basically twist them at the same time, and as soon as they're nice and tight, I basically wrap them together. I don't know if you understand, but let me just show you again. It's pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple and easy, and you can actually get your hair neat. I can actually braid my entire head, like single strand twist it, but nowadays I don't really have time for that. Like I'm too busy to single strand twist my hair, like invisible twist, that's what you call it. So as you can tell, I'm just splitting the hair in two, and then I just take my index finger along my thumb, and I just twine the hair onto the braids, onto the fake hair, the braid, and I hold on to the first portion, and then I take the next piece of hair, next strand, twist it into the hair, twist the fake hair into my hair, and as soon as it's nice and tight, I quickly just create the loop and twist as usual, and you can get really nice braids when you use this method. So I'm going to repeat the step so you can see if you are, you know, interested in learning how to actually do two strand twist. So just sit back, relax, and watch. Basically self-explanatory. Like I don't know how to explain it, but just you can just watch it and it explains to you everything that I'm doing basically. So I'm just gonna continue doing this with all of the hair that you're seeing right now, and it will just give me that natural kind of braid vibe, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and that's what I like to do with the front portion of my hair, because I'm not going to put my braids up in one or anything. I usually like to drop it to in the middle, to the side, or put some of the hair to the back and just style it like that, because I try not to put too much tension on my edges, because you know guys, my edges are not super strong, because my natural hair, it's not super strong right now. I think mainly because I am living overseas and I've been just all over the place. My hair is just, I don't know, but yeah, struggle. But anyway, just sit back, relax, and watch this portion, because I don't want to be chatting for the entire video. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking so far. Just going to go in with my edge control to kind of tame certain parts. I just went ahead and did my makeup. So first and foremost, let me just use the edge control to kind of, I'm not going to use a lot, just a little bit, just to tame the flyaways. But first, before I do anything, let me just use some oil. So I'm going to use this oil to just oil the scalp a bit. This is actually a hair, not hair, it's actually a rice oil. This is for the face, but I'm going to take it on my scalp just because I know that rice helps to grow the hair. Yeah, use your fingers to kind of just oil it. Not oiling my hair, guys, I'm just taking a little hydration, and then after that, edge control. Now I'm gonna take a tiny bit, I'm not gonna take a lot. So I'm going to add these little jewels, like these. I have a few of them, about 6 of them, 3 gold. Well, first let me just figure out how I'm going to style it. So I'm going to take out a piece, drop this here. I think this is it. Oh, tell me if you like it.